Okay, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how to cook fried rice, chicken fried rice, in a wok. It's going to be really exciting. Stay tuned. Okay, here we have our vegetables. We have onions, green onions, and carrots in here. Here we have our garlic butter, 2 eggs. We have our chicken, and of course we have our rice. And I'm using canola oil this time because I like the high heat point. Okay, so I've added some oil to the pan, or to the wok. Now I want to add the chicken in first. Now I want to season it with salt and pepper. Then they get just a little bit of color on it, not much. I love cooking on a wok. One pot cooking is what I call the wok. There's extra moisture, don't let that evaporate. A lot of people pour that off, but I don't. It just adds flavor. Now I'm going to add a little bit more oil. And once this oil heats up, we're going to add our veggies. Okay. Our onions, green onions, and carrots. And remember, every time you add, you season a little. And this container actually has both salt and pepper in it. Kosher salt and coarse ground pepper. Makes it much easier. You have a ratio of 2 parts salt, 1 part pepper. let these vegetables soften up, especially the carrots. Nobody wants to be crushed on no hard carrot when they're stir fried. At least I don't, anyway. Alright. Now we want to add the egg. A little more oil. Not much. And there you go, the eggs. Mix them up. And you know what's next? Season, salt and pepper on the eggs. And it's not going to be too much. I mean, I'm not trying to tell you to go crazy with it. You have some sense. Because you're seasoning for each step, you don't need a lot of seasoning. Now at this point, mixing everything together now. The vegetables, the chicken, the eggs. We're almost there. We're almost there. Just want to cook the eggs just a little bit more. And now we're going to add the rice. There we go. Rice is in. And you want to use day-old rice, or if you're in a bind, you can cook rice and then cool it in the refrigerator for about 5 or 6 hours. I mean, just plan ahead, you know. You do that, you'll be okay. But the key is just to make sure the rice is dried out. That's why they want you to use day-old rice, or why you should use day-old rice. And you know what's next? Seasoning. Don't be afraid to season your food, people. Don't be afraid. Now we're going to add some soy sauce. Now you want to add your garlic butter. Perfect time to add your garlic butter. I like garlic butter, so I'm going to town on this. I'm not trying to take this to town. Sesame seeds, gotta have them. Put in as many as you want. If you get sesame seeds you don't like them, you can pick them out. But good luck with that. Now, I don't know about you, but I like my fried rice to have that little crust on it. The rice will be all kind of crispy. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to form this and just let it sit for about a minute or so. So when I flip it, it'll be a nice little crust on the bottom. After these messages, we'll be right back. There we go. Mix it all up again. And I'm going to repeat the crusting process. Or the crusting process one more time. At least one more time. It just depends on how it looks. There you go. Alright, let's see what we have. There we go. That's the stuff. Turn the flame off. I love the crispy bits. It's a bowl, rice bowl. there we go.